Hey, what's going on, YouTubes? Welcome back. Welcome to John English Technical Services channel. I hope you're doing well and staying happy and healthy and all that good stuff. So, right in front of me, we have the brand new Ubiquiti SuperLink. Yeah, this is the SuperLink, the UP-SuperLink. I bought this personally. I did not get this for free from Ubiquiti. I don't have any sponsorships. I just am a big, I deploy Ubiquiti. I've been doing it for a long time. I also share the likes of Ubiquiti with my clients. They seem to really enjoy the ecosystem. They are just fantastic. So I have nothing but good things to say about Ubiquiti generally. For the most part, they've always been incredible. Actually, you know what? Pretty much 99% of the time, I am just absolutely impressed by Ubiquiti's products, and this is no exception. This is pretty cool. So this is a long-range Bluetooth. It has what they call the 7UpSense BLE device, and it can support 96 SuperLink clients up to 2 kilometer range. So roughly, what is that? 2 kilometers? I don't know. My European to US conversion rate isn't at that accurate, but it's probably, what is 2 kilometers? Let's just look that up. What's 2 kilometers in miles? 2 kilometers to miles. Let's see, our handy Google search. Yeah, I thought it was roughly a mile and a quarter. So we have about a 1.24 miles that this will do about line of sight. So if you have some obstructions, it could degrade the connection. But what this does is it connects to their probes, and that's the main thing. So what I did is I got a 3-pack of these all-in-one sensors, and I'm just going to look up on my computer here screen, and yeah, there it is. These are the probes, the all-in-one sensors, and these are Bluetooth sensors. So traditionally, you have to have this guy connecting to a U6 mesh, I believe, and they have Bluetooth built into some of their access points. So you can look at this. Let's see, it'll tell you the specs here. I can go down. Where is it? Where does it have that? Did not just get. I didn't have all these ducks in a row before I started shooting this, but oh, here it is, right here. Bluetooth access point. So you click on this on their website, and yes, so you have the Dream Router, has built-in Bluetooth, U6 Lite, U6 Long Range, U6 Mesh, and I have a couple of these right now. I have one of them. And my door sensor and my flood sensor, I have one of these sensors configured as a flood. One of these probes is configured, excuse me, as a flood sensor. And then I have the other two configured as door sensors. And they also read temperature and movement and stuff like that. But I was noticing that I have them kind of far apart. And so the U6 mesh isn't really doing this U6 mesh isn't really doing the best job at it. So I have one of these guys mounted up high, and it's not really working too well. So I figured, let's not worry too much about that, and let's just go ahead and order one of these SuperLinks. And so I was pretty impressed. $130 before tax, and that seemed like a pretty decent deal. So let's and it's going to give my sensors a better push. So that's what this is. This does long range, and let's just open it up here. So this is our little unboxing. And so yeah, you have the ability to power this up with your USB-C, and then you can also get power over Ethernet to it. So that's how I'm going to run it. I'm going to use power over Ethernet, and we are going to set this up in the office for now and just see if all the sensors come online. So let's check it out. All right, so we just pulled the plastic off, and there you have a little bit better view of it. Looks pretty good. And what else is in here? I think they have a power adapter. Oh no, they're just mounting plates. So is there anything else that comes in here? Nope, just a mounting bracket and some screws. So I don't think it comes. Let's see what's in the box on their website. If I click on in the box, oh, yep, that's it. So it's just the sensor, and then you have some mounting brackets and some wall screws. So let's not worry about that, because we're gonna go to Ethernet here. So over here we have the U6 mesh, and then I'm just going to take my PoE from my my UDM SE, and we're going to plug this in. Ooh, getting kind of crazy. It's a little difficult with one hand. Apologize for that. Come on. we go. This cable is a little twisted, so all right, there it goes. Boom. We have activity. Boom, activity. So what we have to do is we have to go to the dashboard and adopt this device. So we'll go over here and just go down. Boom. Back to the computer, and then I'm going to go to my dashboard. And let's see if we go to their home. How does it pop up? We'll just go to the. We got to go to the Unified Devices, and let's see if it shows up. So we have activity on our SuperLink, but I'm not seeing it right now on the dashboard. So I'll do a little refresh. Oh, there it is. So if I come up, I'll show you guys right here, but there it is. New device detected. SuperLink gateway detected on Jetstream machine. Boom, and there I am. There I am. We hit add, and then it's gonna load. And then SuperLink gateway shows up right there. And then almost immediately, everything starts to populate. Wow, so we have an update, it's processing, that's awesome. Ubiquiti is just incredible with their software. Their updates are really good. And it looks like it's already picking up better statistics on this stuff. So that's cool, guys. So that's the first look at the SuperLink gateway. And we'll just let this thing cook. And once we have up-to-date software on the device, it should probably work better. And I'll get back to you.